Hello friend, this question from the test series number 4. Subject name is analog circuit. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that if the transconductance of the transistor is given as 10 mm, then the value of input resistance. Okay, the value of input resistance you need to calculate if the transconductance is given to you. Okay, if the value of input resistance is given to you, so it means that you need to use the GM model of transistor, which is also known as the R-pi model of the transistor. Okay, what we need to do in the any AC equivalent circuit, first of all short circuit the DC source, short circuit all the capacitor, okay, and draw the AC equivalent circuit. The AC equivalent circuit, what we do, we make sure that we have only one ground. So okay, I have 10 kilo ohm, no issues. I have this another 10 kilo ohm which is also connected from base to ground, so we have only one ground, so connect this also base to ground. Okay, then I will replace the BJT with its R-pi model. R-pi model says base to emitter. Base to emitter will have a R-pi. Emitter is grounded because this capacitor is grounded. And similarly in the output side we will have a GM, V-pi. V-pi is the voltage drop across R-pi, and RC. And again RC is the resistor from collector to ground, because VCC is grounded now. And this is where I am taking output. Okay, and this is where my VS is connected from base to emitter, which is grounded now. So this is my circuit. Question says that calculate the input impedance. Okay, what is the input impedance? Input impedance is the impedance seen from the input terminal. Okay, this will be my input impedance. So what is the input impedance? It's a fairly simple circuit, the parallel combination of 10K parallel 10K parallel R-pi. Okay, 10K parallel, no issue. 5K, but parallel R-pi. So the question arises, what is R-pi? R-pi I don't know, but for the calculation of the R-pi only GM is given to you. What is R-pi? R-pi is defined as beta by GM, right? Beta by the GM, that's how the R-pi is defined in the R-pi model. So beta is given to you, I guess. The beta is given to is 50. So it is 50 upon GM, which is 10 milliohm, 10 into 10 raised to the minus 3. So GM is, so beta is, so R-pi is 5 kilo ohm. So R-pi comes out as a 5 kilo ohm. So it will be 5 kilo ohm parallel 5 kilo ohm. So your answer will be 2.5 kilo ohm. So your input impedance of the circuit is 2.5 kilo ohm. Okay, there are certain like beta and HFE are used very, very similar. So that's why sometimes people say the formula is HFE by GM. Similarly, the value of R-pi is also very similar to HIE. So sometimes in textbooks you will find this kind of alternate notations. Although in the hybrid model we use HIE, in the R-pi model we use R-pi. Okay, so that's all. This is also a very important question in the small signal point of view. Thank you.